welcome to Tech Tutorials. Today I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT as a beginner. So first step is to search ChatGPT on Google and click on the first link that shows up on Google. Once you do, ChatGPT's website will open up. It will tell you to log in and sign up on ChatGPT, and here I'm going to sign up. So once I've signed up, the screen will show up of ChatGPT where you can start a new conversation or you can access your previous chats. You can also switch from dark mode to light mode by going into settings and selecting theme as light or dark. For example, I'm going to ask ChatGPT, what is YouTube? And it will start generating its answer. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it across your friends.